Hello everyone, once again you're welcome to FTGF's weekly market outlook, and what we do is we analyze the markets and share with you potential market moves that can help you in your trading decision in the coming week. Now there's a sweet offer from Ingots, okay, and this sweet offer is called the risk-free first trade. What that simply means is that if you create a trading account or you open an account with Ingots, okay, you deposit any amounts, and your first trade, if that first trade doesn't go well, Ingots refunds that up to $100. So, for example, you deposited, let's say, $200. That first trade that you initiated did not go well. Ingots refunds up to $100. Okay, and this is something good that you need to gravitate towards. Okay. Also, let's say you're a trader and maybe you visit Ingots website, the platform, and you have any challenge. Okay, you just scroll down here, you see help center, go there, click open support tickets, and then request or chat with the customer support, and they are there to also assist you. Okay, yes, once again you are welcome to FTGF's weekly market outlook. I've shared with you the risk-free first trade where you get your first trade. If it doesn't go well, Ingots refunds up to $100. Okay, I'm now going to share with you potential market moves. Okay, now let's delve into it. Now, what we do is that we look at the fundamental analysis, side of things, and then the technical analysis side of things. So let's look at the fundamental bits, where you visit ingots.io, you go to Resource Hub, you scroll down, you go to Economic Calendar. Now, at Economic Calendar, you're going to see news that are going to come up in a week, and then how to manage them. Okay, so Economic Calendar, you scroll down. Left here, the dates that we are looking at is 28th, that is today, to October 4th. Okay, so 28th of September to October 4th. Okay, that's next week. The time, which is perfect. Okay, impacts, we need high impact news. Okay, because those news come with some level of volatility that's going to help you, the trader. Okay, now which countries do we want to trade from? I would like us to look at news from US and other countries. So you click here, all countries: US, Australia, Canada, Eurozone, Japan, New Zealand, Switzerland, UK. Okay, so these are the countries we are going to have a look at. You click back on the high again, then the high impact news only going to pop up from these countries that we have selected. Okay, now on the 29th, that is tomorrow, we have news coming from the US, Japan. Also, we have news coming from there. 30th, we have interest rate news coming from Australia. It's something that you need to pay attention to. Okay, then we have news coming from the US as usual. Okay, Switzerland, we have retail sales news coming up as well, inflation news also from the Euro area. And then one of the important news that you need to pay attention to is ADP, unemployment change, which you need to pay attention to that as well. Inflation news from Switzerland, once again, month over month. Then on Friday, you have NFP, almighty NFP coming up. Okay, so if you're a trader, you need to position yourself well for NFP. Okay, it's very, very important. You need not to play with it. So from the fundamental analysis point of view, news coming up in a week, we've seen a lot of them, and honestly, from my point of view, I would like us to look at AUDUSD, Australia, because we have interest rates news coming from Australia, and then USD, we have NFP coming from there. But you can also explore and then choose the ones you like. But for this educational purpose, I'm going to share with you how to trade AUDUSD in the forex markets. Okay, now you open your your MT5. Okay, now we're going to, from the crypto market, commodities, and forex, we are going to be looking at all of these. Okay, now before I even delve into that, let's say you have an account with Ingots. Okay, with the analysis, before you delve into your analysis, you can look at Ingots trading signals. You scroll down here, you come to resources. Okay, now at resources, you see technical views. There you see technical, with the technical views, you see views or analysis for forex, crypto, stocks, indices, commodities. Okay, so let's say you want to do something for from commodities, so let's say forex. Okay, we said we're going to look at AUDUSD, so we click on this, and then you see the details. Now you see we have intraday, daily. You can pick any of them, and then you make a trading decision from there. Now, if you want to know how to use these signals, reach out to me using the number on your screen, and I'm going to help you with that. Okay, I have a tutorial video that's going to help you get that sorted out. Okay, so from the crypto markets, we are going to be looking at BTCUSD. Okay, now if you look at this closely, let me maximize it. You would realize that, price, a moment. Okay, no. Okay, all right. You would realize that, price is approaching the key level, okay, or support area. So first, price, the supports started from here, extreme left, as you can see. Then price moved up, it came down again, and got rejected by the support. Okay, and currently we see price approaching the same key level, the same price, which is 107,333. okay, as you can see here. Okay, now if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, what you can do is you wait for price to get to the support, okay, and then price get rejected by the support to the upside. Okay, then you place your buy trade. If you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for price to get to the support and break the support further down, then you can place your sell trade. Now, in all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place, and I'm referring to your stop loss, take profits, lot size. Very, very important. Okay, now in the commodities market, we're going to look at gold. If you look at gold closely, you realize that gold has been breaking certain record and breaking the records back to back. Okay, so if you look at this, it's been in an uptrend for a very long time. Okay, now the uptrend move started from here, okay, here at this point, and then price moved up. It tried coming back, and then it pulled back at this point. It got rejected by this uptrend line. Okay, now currently you can see that the price is approaching the uptrend line again. So if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for price to hit this uptrend line and get rejected to the upside. Okay, then you can place your buy trade. Okay, if you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for the candlestick to break the uptrend line to the downside like this, then you can place your sell trade. Remember, in all of these, you need to ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, now in the commodities market, we look at oil as well. If you look at oil closely, you would realize that price got to the previous high and then got rejected, okay, to the downside. Okay, now this is where it started. Price first got to this point as a resistance. Price got rejected to the downside, and currently we've seen price getting to the same level again here and then getting rejected to the downside. Okay, so now if you're a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait. You can wait for price to go back again to test the resistance, and then when it confirms a downtrend, you place your sell trade and you have your stop loss above the resistance. If you're a trader also looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for the resistance to get broken to the upside, then you place your buy trade. Okay, now once again, in all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Now in the forex market, like I indicated earlier, I would like us to look at AUDUSD. Why AUDUSD? I explained that we have interest rate news coming from Australia, and then also we have NFP coming from US. Okay, these are high impact news that you need to pay attention to. Now if you look at this, you realize that the AUDUSD has been in an uptrend for some time now. Okay, as we can see here. Okay, so first the uptrend move started from here, and now currently, as we can see price getting rejected by this uptrend line. Okay, so if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for price to get back. Maybe you can get back to the uptrend line. When it gets rejected by the uptrend line to the upside, you place your buy trade. Okay, if price also breaks the uptrend line to the downside, you place your sell trade. And in all of these, once again, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, so now before I go, once again, Ingot has risk-free first trade. Okay, where you open fresh accounts with Ingots, you deposit any amount. Okay, now if that first trade doesn't go well, Ingots refunds that up to $100. Okay. Now, if you're also looking out for trading signals or IDS, log into your Ingot account, go to resources, you see trade IDS there. If you're the busy type that you don't know how to trade, you want to copy from people and earn whilst you are learning or trying to use all of these resources, you log into your account, you go to copy trading, and then this page will pop up. Now, when the page pops up, you would see where you can find people you would like to copy trades from. Then you copy your trades from them as well. Okay. Thank you. Catch you next week. Bye bye.